Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel The Power of Excel. The message I want to give today is specifically for students, school-going students, graduating students, post-graduating students, parents of students, educators, and all those people who are involved in making the policy decisions at school level or maybe at the graduation or the post-graduation level. With most of the jobs currently and in the future revolving around analytics, uh, Excel is supposed to be one of the most fundamental tools as far as analytics is concerned. And that is something all industry people who are working in analytics or are giving jobs in analytics will verify very easily. So the recommendation here is that we should start educating our children, our students at a very early age in terms of how to use Microsoft Excel. Of course, there are other important tools in Microsoft Office, maybe Word or maybe PowerPoint. But if you talk about the job scenario right now, and if you talk about the jobs over the next 10, 15, 20 years, then analytics is going to play a very prominent role. Whether you talk about artificial intelligence, whether you talk about machine learning, whether you talk about robotics, whether you talk about using Tableau or Power BI or SQL, all these tools, the very fundamental basis that we talk about starts from Microsoft Excel. So the recommendation here is to start teaching our students at a very early age, maybe in grade 6, grade 7, maybe that is something, that is a decision we can take at the policy level, whosoever is making the policies and all. So if that is possible, by the time the students come out of schools, they'll already be well versed with Microsoft Excel. And I strongly believe that students of grade 6, 7, 8 have the ability to grasp how Microsoft Excel actually works. Maybe not if they, even if they don't want to get into analytics in the future, but still this is a tool which is worth going forward to. And it is strongly recommended that they should start learning Microsoft Excel from a very early age, given the job scenario. And even if though these policies might take time, it is strongly recommended that students should at least try and get themselves enrolled in some online courses or some YouTube channels where Excel is being taught at a very comprehensive level. Because knowing those tools, knowing those functions, how we use them even in our day-to-day lives, in the professional lives, will only benefit them in the long run. And they can start early and gradually enhance in terms of the complexity. And by the time they come out in after class 12, they'll be quite well versed with how Microsoft Excel actually works. And then they can take up, in case they want to have a career in analytics, they can go for and get themselves enrolled in some programs such as R or Python or Power BI or Tableau, and then move forward in life in terms of having a career in analytics. So that is what the recommendation is. I would strongly advise all parents, all students, and even the educators to try and bring the aspect of Microsoft Excel in the curriculum at the school level, so that once they come out, they can actually be corporate ready. The word is corporate ready here. So they can become corporate ready for getting into the jobs without much of a challenge. So that is the message. Thank you so much, and I hope you get the basis of this. You get the importance of why this message is we are trying to deliver over here. And in case we are able to start early, this is going to be very, very beneficial for all students and teachers, parents, and educators should highly recommend students to start working in this direction. Thank you so much, and once again, and have a nice time ahead. Thank you.